to tell the story of how great a love could be. This sweet love story that is older than the sea. The simple truth about a love she brings to me. Where do I start? When first alone, she gave a meaning, descending world of mine. There never be another love, another time. She came into my life and made me fine. She fills my heart. She fills my heart with very special things, with angel songs, with wide imagining. She fills my soul with so much love that anywhere I go, I never lonely with you alone. Who could be lonely? I'm his father and he's always there. How does it last? Can love be measured by the hours in a day? I had no answers, but this much as I can say. I know I need her till the stars are burned away, and she'll be there. How long does it last? Can love be measured by the hours in a day? I had no answers, but this much as I can say. I know I need love till the stars burn away, and she'll be there. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Please like and subscribe my YouTube channel, Like Song, and also our Facebook. Like, follow, comments, and share. Okay? Sa lahat ng mga new followers, sa mga FB friends ko, thank you so much. At marami pang ibang nag-add ng friend. Pasensya na sa iba, hindi mo na kayo mabibigyan ng lahat ng pasabog dahil hindi naman iglapan na agad lahat. Dahan-dahan lang, tsaga lang, share lang tayo. We're just like one family. Thank you so much. Bye.